Craving something that helps you stay on track with your weight loss goals and gives you a little energy boost? This shake is a game changer, perfect for morning or when you need a filling snack that also energizes you. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, naturally sweet and rich in fiber, keeps you full longer and provides quick energy. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, low calories and hydrating, light and dairy free, perfect for weight loss. 1 tablespoon instant coffee for that caffeine boost, speed up metabolism and gives you energy. Optional: half tablespoon cinnamon, helps regulate blood sugar and adds extra flavor. In a blender, add 1 ripe banana, almond milk and instant coffee. Add cinnamon for extra warmth and flavor if you like. Blend everything for 45 seconds to 1 minute until smooth and creamy. Serve it chilled or with ice cubes for an extra refreshing feel. And there you go, a quick healthy snack that's rich in fiber, full of energy and perfect for your weight loss journey. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, so please hit the like button, comment below which type of video do you want more, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.